If you have ADHD, you like gardening, you gotta put on one of these ajumma gloves. I'm not sponsored by the Kimchi Corporation, but let me tell you, the ajummas know what they're doing because I don't like getting my hands wet. I'm back in my orchid era. All my flowers have a look. I'm so proud of all of them. This one's Olivia the orchid, purple because duh. Olivia's new album's gonna come out and I think it's gonna be called Love. Yeah, get one of these gloves because like, bro, Otto, come back. You're part of my prop. Stop sniffing my butt. Because girls, you don't want one of those short little gloves that's just gonna hit your, what is this called? This part wet. Nuh-uh. And it's gonna drip into your glove and then you're gonna hate that. So why not just get one of these ajumma gloves? If you have ADHD, solve your shit, bro. Stop dealing with all that friction. Drop all your fiction in. Yeah. Anyway, so go get your new ajumma gloves. It's so fun. Once again, not sponsored, but would love to be sponsored. I'm stepping into my sellout era and nobody sponsored me yet. Like, what is that about? We're nearing the end of March now. I need coins. Who's gonna be my sugar? Yes, this video is like so different from all the other ones I've done. You probably like that, huh? Being a little unhinged. I don't have no pump going on. Back from a day of work at the cafe and I'm here. Set the camera up and yap. Don't come at me saying I don't share no tips. I have ADHD. I went to Harvard, I did all these things, and no Asian auntie can come for me right now. And I've had a lot of that come for me in the past. And now it's like the white uncles instead, and that's okay. I'm like, love all of you. Thank you so much for watching. I can't believe we hit 7K on Instagram. Leave a comment down below on what you want to see because I feel like, love you, bye.